and it does turn the stomach slightly. I'll be right back.
He's regretting his life choices. Extremely good driver.
If you like the Nürburgring, and assuming you do because you clicked on this video, go to nürburgring.com where you can find all kinds of Nürburgring licensed products co-designed by me, ranging from socks to official Nürburgring 360 roadbook co-written by me, and even Christmas sweaters, including kids collection, and many, many more Nürburgring licensed products to come. So go to nürburgring.com, which stands for Nürburgring Embassy, and become our brand ambassador.
You already have seen a lap with this car, multiple laps, but what I'm referring to, a lap with Ben Collins, the Stig, in this. Also last year I've done a lap in the Golf that he had brought. We've done later a lap in the Mustang that is not here. And today we're doing a lap in the Mustang again that's also not here, but we're doing it in the dry. Quick recap, insert some fancy b-roll of previous videos for people who are tuning in for the first time. Basically, the car has a full Stida Q767R conversion. It has GRZ RS 3-way adjustable suspension. It has G-Lock brake pads, Sparco seats, I believe, harnesses, and that's mostly it. Quite simple. And of course, Nankang CRS tires, 305 square setup, I believe. So quite grippy. And as of today, we actually dynoed the car, and apparently it was showing 439 wheel horsepower. So not too bad for a European Mustang, because ours gets a bit choked to satisfy the emission standards, to compensate for all the Taylor Swift flights and stuff. So yeah, and all the American cars as well that get to drive without OPF and cats and have 50 horsepower more from factory. Anyway, let's not talk about bad things, let's talk about good things. How it is to drive the Stig sick on Nürburgring Nordschleife. Fair play to him. It's the better the driver, the worse the passenger. And with this car, it wasn't that big of a problem because it's more settled, whereas 1850 horsepower Mustang has a lot of weight to move around and very little aero for now.
Funny bit, this is actually the fourth tuner that's calling me. Overdrive gear, it's useless. Misha. But don't be. I know we're missing a bit of aero, but it's fine. Here it's still a bit damp, good to know. This part dries out the last of the track. Yeah. So always be cautious from the bottom. Because the trees hold the water. Yeah. The shade doesn't allow the sun to come through. Like 500 kilos less of weight probably.
I think he's on slicks.
Yeah, maybe that too. Something's hanging loose from him as well. Yeah.
I didn't know if he was happy or unhappy.
I think he was kind of happy, but his bonnet is open.
He came back, didn't he? But I think he was following you.
Yeah, it was nice.
Very nice. Was the aircon off?
I don't know, but
It's kind of hot here.
I'm gonna have to take a little walk in a second, I think.
It was not too bad.
No, it was really good. For some reason, I'm just starting to feel queasy. I felt that one was more airborne than in other cars we've been in.
It was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it does turn the stomach slightly, more so than the Porsche. And I feel actually I do need to get out.
Yeah?
Yeah, sorry. It was really good. It was really good.
I drove the Stig sick.
I'm not going to be sick, but I might be if I stay much longer. It was really good. I need to talk to you about this.
Yeah,
The
sure.
Porsche was faster, but this was more lively.
Yes, very.
Okay, so it wasn't just me.
We need aero, but that's coming on next. Yeah, go get the Coke.
I'm going to jump out.
Yeah. I'll park up here. You
Thank
can
you, mate.
jump out. I'll go pick up the Sapphire. You want to come with me to pick up the Sapphire?
Yeah, 100%.
You want to come now with me to pick
No,
up?
I'm going to jump out. I'll be right back.
Poor Ben. I think every time he gets in a car with me, he's regretting his life choices. The better people are a driver, the worse they are a passenger. And he's a extremely good driver, which means he's extremely bad passenger.